Good morning, students. Today we will study History Lesson 3rd, The Agriculturist, the Neolithic Age. The Neolithic Age was a period of transition from hunter gatherers to farmers. This marked a tremendous change in the lifestyle. They settled down in one place and learned to domesticate animals. It was during this period that early humans discovered the use of the wheel. Their tools too improved significantly and they learned the art of pottery. Some important sites of this period in the Indian subcontinent are Chirand, Halur, Daujali Heding, Mehergarh, Burzoham, Payampoli, and Koldiva. The beginning of farming. The formation of grasslands led to the growth of several grain bearing grasses. Early humans noticed that plants grew over a period of time and that they usually grew in areas where seeds were dispersed. Thus, they learned to sow seeds and harvest them at the right time. They also understood that plants needed water to grow. They cultivated wheat, oats, barley, and pulses. Farming meant a better supply of food grains, so their dependence on hunting and gathering of food reduced. There was an increase in human population, leading to an increased demand for food. Thus, early humans began to settle in one place for a longer period of time to f- and to farm and cultivate crops. They built strong permanent houses and lived together as a community. Domestication of animals. Once early humans became food producers, they needed to care and tend to their plants because became a priority in their lives. They also domesticated different animals such as sheep, goat, and cows. They provided them with a regular supply of meat and milk. Perhaps they also learned that these animals could help them in their agricultural work. Agriculturists have uncovered remains of animal bones at Burzoham, present day in Kashmir, and Halur in present day Andhra Pradesh, suggest that animals were domesticated. The beginning of settlements. Early humans began building houses. Their houses were mainly rounded, oval, or rectangular pit houses. There were steps leading to these pit houses. Archaeologists have discovered hearths both inside and outside the one. Example of the pit houses are found at Burzoham in Kashmir. Pots too were found, perhaps for storing surplus grain. The Neolithic people soon began to live in groups. These groups led to the formation of tribes. Tribal people are those who live close to nature. Improved tools. Tools became more advanced and sophisticated and had multi-purpose uses. These tools were polished and more durable and could be shaped easily. They were made of different types of rocks like amphibolites, jadeite, and basalt. With these new and strong tools like axes, Neolithic people could clear forests for agriculture. Wood from the felled trees was used for the construction of houses, furniture, and other household things. People also made use of mortars and pestles for grinding grain. Pottery. As people started producing surplus food, there was a need to store these grains. Initially, people started weaving baskets out of grass. Then they started making pots out of clay and sun baked them. Later, kilns were made, also used to bake the pots, and design were made on them. The invention of the wheel. The invention of the wheel was one of the most important achievements of the Neolithic people. It brought about the development of the earliest forms of vehicle, a wagon, four wheels, and an axle. They could not travel fast and comfortably. The wheels also helped them to transport heavy objects from one place to another. Potter's wheel soon came to be used for making pottery and is also used to draw water from the water wells. Now, additional crafts. Although there had been no archaeological evidence which indicates that the early humans indulged in weaving and basketry, clay fragments bearing impression of textiles or basketry have been uncovered in many sites. Weaving of cloth, straw mats, and textiles was a common practice among the Neolithic people. They used materials like flax and wool. Baskets were used to store goods. Woven straw mats were used for resting, and fine nets were used for fishing. Burials. During the Neolithic period, the dead were buried inside their houses, beneath the floor, or in a simple pit. They were buried along with items such as stone, tools, pottery, jewelry, animal offerings, amongst other things. These practices suggest that people believed in life after death. Some burial sites have been found in Mehergarh, present day Pakistan. Chalcolithic sites, that is 4000 BC to 2000 BCE. The Chalcolithic age was the period that followed the Neolithic age. It was also called the Copper Age as it was the period where humans used metals, particularly copper. Copper was the first metal to be discovered. Later it was mixed with tin, and the mixture of copper and tin came to be known as bronze. The transition from tools to stone to metal was a from tools of stone to metal was a slow and long drawn process. The earliest metal tools resembled the stone tools in shape and size. The earliest settlements belonging to the Chalcolithic age in India extended from the Chota Nagpur plateau to the Gangetic plains. Thank you.